We shall first demonstrate OmniStar without parent hash or nickname by opening the web address omnixtir.github.io/h. The web page will first show a few alert windows for debugging purposes, and you just need to click OK to close them. You may find out the details from the code published on github.com. The first action that you need to perform is to click on OmniHash button, which will generate your user hash identifier, that is EGFF_02K2W == as shown in the top text box. You could save the screenshot and share the QR code below with your friends and associates. By scanning the QR code, the recipient will come into the same web page to generate their own OmniHash user identifier, and will register you as their upline or head in a multi-level network. Next, you may save your profile locally or on a remote OmniStar web server. Your private key will only be saved locally but not on the remote server. Choose L to save your profile locally first, as once you have chosen remote, you may lose your local profile, as the preliminary version OmniStar web app have limited features. You need to enter a local encrypt password, as private key should never be shown or saved as plain text. Press encrypt button and your profile will be downloaded from the web app to your local device, with default name omni-adam.json, where Adam is the default nickname. Next, you may save your user profile without your public key and private key. Let me repeat, without your public key and private key on the remote OmniStar web server. Click Save and Enter, then press OK. You will be prompted whether you wish to leave the current website. Choose Leave and you will be redirected to OmniStar web server site running via ng-rock tunnel. On desktop browser, you could open another tab for OmniStar web server site without leaving the current github.io site. OmniStar GitHub page sends your profile to OmniStar web server in gzip-base64 string, which is uncompressed and decoded as shown on the screen. Your profile shown here is DJSON or decentralized JSON, with X key as reg meaning registration, P for parent hash, default to root. If you do not have an upline or head in the multi-level network, Edge is your user identifier, and NN nickname default to Adam, which we shall explain how to modify in the next video.